These are the elevators, floors 2 and 6 at Lafayette in Buffalo, New York. These are Otis mods. The original Campbell elevators. 6. It's definitely a department store. I just got here, so I don't know what the history of this was. Here we go up. I guess we can do a dual indicator. So let's start up. Now it's an office building, I think. Here's 6. The basement's open. It's a basic snap cab, obviously redone. I bet there was like one of those old directories up there originally. These green LEDs here at the basement. It's a typical basement. 1 of it, 2. 7 locked, I assume, yeah. Here are 2. Okay.
Please stand clear of the closing door.
Doing a glitch. Maybe it was 3 and 6. I thought it was 2 and 6, but clearly there's nothing on 2. Okay, let's just go to 6. I know. Just end at 6.
Sixth floor.
6.